Active to passive. Unravel the magic of English grammar. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an exciting area of English grammar, converting sentences from active voice to passive voice. But don't worry, we will walk through this journey step by step, with plenty of practice and exercises. So grab your notebook, and let's get started. Before we can convert sentences, we first need to understand what active and passive voice are. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action. In passive voice, the subject is acted upon. For instance, active: John eats an apple. John is the one doing the action of eating. Passive: the apple is eaten by John. The apple is having the action done to it. The trick here is recognizing and shifting these sentence structures. To convert an active sentence to a passive one, follow these steps. 1. Identify the subject, verb, and object in the sentence. The subject is the doer of the action, the verb is the action, and the object is what the action is done to. 2. Switch the subject and the object. The object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. 3. Change the verb. Use the appropriate form of the verb, to be, plus the past participle of the main verb. 4. Add by before the original subject. This is now the agent of the passive sentence. Let's take an example. Active: Mary paints the wall. Subject: Mary. Verb: paints. Object: the wall. Passive: the wall is painted by Mary. Now, it's time to put this into practice. Let's try converting these active sentences to passive. 1. The cat caught the mouse. 2. She will read the book. 3. The teacher corrected the tests. And the passive versions would be: 1. The mouse was caught by the cat. 2. The book will be read by her. 3. The tests were corrected by the teacher. Remember, practice makes perfect. Well done, everyone. You've just made an exciting journey from understanding the difference between active and passive voice to converting active sentences into passive. Keep practicing these conversions, as it'll help you become a more flexible and accomplished English speaker and writer. Keep up the good work, and see you in our next lesson.